A customer brought in their vehicle, reporting that the check engine light was on. I started my diagnosis by connecting a scan tool, which revealed the code P0171, System Too Lean, Bank 1. This code typically means that the engine's air-fuel mixture is too lean, indicating there might be too much air or not enough fuel reaching the engine. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool. I paid close attention to the oxygen sensor B01-1, which is responsible for monitoring the exhaust's oxygen levels and providing feedback to adjust the air-fuel mixture. During the test, I noticed the oxygen sensor parameter was intermittently dropping out, which suggested an issue with the sensor's signal. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the oxygen sensor. I was looking for obvious issues such as damaged wires, corrosion, or loose connections, but everything appeared to be in good condition. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for the presence of voltage and ground at the oxygen sensor connector. Both were present, which confirmed that the sensor was receiving power and ground as it should. To confirm the problem, I used the multimeter to check for continuity within the oxygen sensor itself. Continuity is necessary for the sensor to function correctly and send proper signals to the engine control module, ECM. In this case, there was no continuity, which indicated that the oxygen sensor, B01-S1, was faulty and needed to be replaced. The oxygen sensor plays a crucial role in maintaining the correct air-fuel mixture for efficient combustion and low emissions. A malfunctioning sensor can lead to poor engine performance, increased fuel consumption, and higher emissions. Replacing it promptly is essential for the vehicle's health. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty oxygen sensor with a new one that met the manufacturer's specifications. After installation, I cleared the codes using the scan tool and performed another road test to ensure everything was functioning properly. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light remained off, and no new codes appeared. By replacing the oxygen sensor, I restored the vehicle's ability to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio, ensuring optimal performance, fuel efficiency, and compliance with emissions standards.